The All Progressive Congress for Rivers State don yarn the mountains Amaehule-led lawmakers say make dem no dey discouraged by wetin dey shele for Rivers State, say the battle just start and the party dey gidigba with the lawmakers. The party caretaker committee chairman Tony Okocha yarn this one when he carry waka go visit the lawmakers during one plenary. During the plenary, Honorable Major Jack, Honorable Orwell Ihonda, Engineer Samuel Uwonsike, and Speaker Right Honorable Mantis Amaehule come talk say,
our quarters where we live with our families was invaded by the governor of Rivers State. With talks, they broke into this place uninvited, without informing the Speaker of the Rivers State House of Assembly. They broke into this place with talks, moved around, and made a statement that they were coming in here to inspect and to demolish our quarters that was built 2 years ago. Mr. Speaker, what have we done to this government? They started the invasion by invading the complex, sending talks to go to the complex to burn it. But that one notwithstanding, he sent talks to attack the Speaker's residence. Now, he has attacked where members are living.
The Inspector General of Police, Nigeria Police Force Headquarters, Louis Ede House, Abuja. Dear Inspector General, threats to life of honorable members and families of Rivers House of Assembly residents in the Assembly quarters by the Governor of Rivers State, Sir Siminalayi Fubara. I refer to the above subject matter and write to request for your urgent intervention to avoid the breakdown of law and order and loss of lives following the announcement and threats by the Governor to demolish the Rivers State House of Assembly quarters illegally. Distinguished colleagues, similarly, a letter has been sent to the Director General, Department of State Security, and I read. This letter is dated 9th day of May 2024, addressed to the Director General, Department of State Security, DSS, National Headquarters, Maitama, Abuja. Dear Director General, threats to life of honorable members and families of the Rivers State House of Assembly, residents in the Assembly quarters by the Governor of Rivers State, Sir Siminalayi Fubara. I refer to the above subject matter and write to request for urgent intervention to avoid the breakdown of law and order and loss of lives following the announcement and threat by the Governor to demolish the Rivers State House of Assembly quarters illegally.
On the 6th of May, precisely on Monday, 4 p.m., the Governor of Rivers State invited the head of local government administrations, the head of personnel management, the treasurers, directors, and clerks of the Legislative Council of the 23 local governments to Government House, where he issued a directive that they should go and prepare salary vouchers for only council workers, excluding council chairmen, vice chairmen, councillors, and other political office holders of the 23 local governments, that he is not going to pay our April 2024 salaries. And to our greatest surprise, up till now, up till today, as we speak, we have not held JAC meeting, the Joint Account Allocation Committee meeting for the month of April. Whereas money has been released through FAC to the Rivers State government. And we are surprised that up till now, no funds has been released to us to enable us pay salaries of workers and carry out other functions that is expected of us as local government chairmen in our various LGAs.
I want to also bring the attention of the House that the banks in Rivers State that we all, as the 23 local government, operates via our JAC accounts, have been issued instructions to disregard the chief accounting officers of the 23 local government and deal with ghosts in managing the resources of our various local governments.
They are the ones that have powers under the law to say what happens in their various local governments and not the governor of Rivers State. There is nowhere in the Constitution where it is stated that the governor will be giving directives on who should be paid salary, on who should not be paid, on who should be signatory to the account, or why a bank should release money or not release money. The governor even has no place to be inviting clerks of the various legislative councils or inviting staff of the local government without the chairman of the local government. The governor is encouraging insubordination in the local government system. What the governor is doing is to set the stage for anarchy. We have said it time and time again that this is the worst governor in the history of Rivers State. I think part of it stems from ineptitude, and that's why we are seeing what we are seeing here today.
After the plenary, APC caretaker committee chair Tony Okocha come assure the lawmakers say make them not worry as the party go make sure say them continue with their work. Income Talk say,
I just can't sit down in my house and be comfortable when members of my party are threatened. So I had come here to be sure that they are good and also encourage them that they should never be deterred. The battle is just starting as far as I'm concerned. The governor cannot be a law unto himself. It's never done anywhere. And so we stand with them. I want to assure them that the party stands with them and that we will continue to stand with them and ensure that they must continue to make good laws for the people of Rivers State.
Make una not forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. From Port Harcourt, Ekata Ojesele, TMC TV News.